Dear students, our topic is verb forms. I would like to teach you verb forms models in this lesson. So we see verbs are main verbs, helping verbs. In this video, I'm gonna teach you what are helping verbs. Again, helping verbs are divided into auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. So let us see what are they. So what's in a verb? What's a verb? Verb is an action word. We use verb to say what people and things do. It express an action. Verbs express an action. So verbs are doing words. Usually express an action. She wrote a letter. Wrote a verb. Action of writing. Raju makes kites. Makes verb. It expresses the action to make. She wrote a letter to write. It expresses the action to write. So this is a verb. Okay. Let's see what are auxiliary verbs. Yeah, already I have told you verbs are divided into helping verbs and main verbs. Main verbs are V1, V2, V3, V4. Base form, present form, past participle form, present participle form. That is ing form. And again, V1, V1, V2 are finite verbs, indefinite verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs. In non-finite verbs, that is ing forms, past participle, present participle, we see non-finite verbs where they are called. Non-finite verbs are again divided into gerunds, participles, infinitives. Participles again divided into present participle and past participle. Infinitives, to infinitive, bare infinitive. To go, go. Okay. So these are the kinds of main verbs forms. But now we are learning helping verbs. So what are the helping verbs? Okay, auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs. They help main verb to denote the action of the subject. They help the main verb. Okay, so what are auxiliary verbs? Primary auxiliaries and modal or secondary auxiliaries. What are primary auxiliaries? Be forms, have forms, do forms. For example, be forms am, is, are be forms, was, were. Have forms have, has, had, have forms. Do, does, did, done. These are do forms. Okay, modal auxiliaries can, could, or modal auxiliaries. So what are modal auxiliaries? They indicate the mood of the speaker. Okay, they help the main verb. They use to show ability. I can swim, ability. I can walk, ability. They show inability, possibility, impossibility, obligation, request, and permission. May I come in? I may come. So these are all the auxiliaries. Okay. So what are modal verbs? So modal verbs are 24 in English language. There are 24 modal verbs in English language. Be forms. Let us see first be forms. Am, is, are, was, were, being, been, be. These words were are used in past tense. These are in present tense. Do forms. Do, does, did. Already I told you. Do, does used in present. Did is used in past tense. These are forms. Do forms. Have forms. Has, have, had. Okay. So had is used in past tense. This has, have used in present tense. Then can, could, shall, should, may, might. These are used in present. These are used in past, and sometimes have different uses. Okay. Will, would, must, ought to, used to, need to, dare. Dare can be used both as normal verb and a modal verb also. Okay. As a normal verb, dare is used with do, does, did. Okay. Should versus must. The difference between should and must. Okay. Should expresses advisability, a suggestion. It is weaker than must. Must is very strong. Should is weaker than must. It is followed by plain form of verb. Plain form, that is V1. Okay. We should protect our planet. Should. Protect. Protect is verb. That is plain form of verb V1. We should protect our planet. We use must to express a stronger point of view. The model must also expresses opinion. One person's point of view. Must express a stronger point. We must protect our planet. Okay, this also take V1 after it. That is okay. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.